If a basement contractor says any of the following to you, stop. Don't sign anything. Every spring, New Jersey rain and snowmelt push water straight through your foundation. And the second it shows up, the pressure sales start. Here's what they count on. You're scared, you're rushed, and you don't know what a fair price even looks like. So 2 quotes for the same job can be thousands apart. So ask 3 questions. 1, show me your NJHIC license. 2, is this quote in writing, itemized? 3, what's the warranty and does it transfer if I sell? A contractor who's honest answers all 3 without flinching. The one who dodges, that's your answer. The right method matters too. A French drain manages water inside. Exterior ceiling stops it before it hits the wall. A good contractor tells you which one your house needs and why, instead of selling you the most expensive option. 29 years in Monmouth County. Owner run, no pressure, fair pricing. Get the full contractor vetting checklist at link below.